Well, y'all, I'm at the infusion center. I came in to get my chemotherapy done, and they checked my magnesium and my potassium and all that. Magnesium was 1, potassium was 2.8, I think they said. So instead of chemotherapy, I have to have 3 bags of potassium and a bag of magnesium. And then I come back tomorrow to get my chemotherapy, and they'll check my hemoglobin levels then again because they're low today. And I may have to have a bag of blood transfused tomorrow as well. So, another long day of potassium and magnesium, and then another long day of chemotherapy. So, it didn't go quite as a plan, but that's okay. It'll be okay. I did find out that it's the treatment, the chemotherapy treatment, everything that's caused my potassium and magnesium to drop since I can't eat as much as I would like. Excuse me, y'all. I've been trying to eat today. Got me an orange popsicle. I've eaten about a third of it. And I have me some peanut butter crackers I'm trying to eat. And I have a glass of orange juice. We're trying, y'all. We're trying. It's rough. But I'm going to be okay. I'm going to be okay. So I just thought I'd let y'all know what's going on. And we'll see from here.